too far out there. Makes me nervous.
Papa built a strong house. What a brief. So the water was right to here.
Go down the hallway, you can see it from the walls.
Yeah, you can see the water line from the walls.